Hi everyone, I'm here first to say happy 2022, and I really wish for all of us a year of dreams coming true. Not just like a nice saying, not just something that you write on your Happy New Year card, but really because our life is now. We are living our life like our lives now, and we if we don't live our dream, then we don't, and our lives are just passing through, and we will not realize our dreams. We can think about them all day long, all year long, year after year. And when I was doing my end of the year video and writing my special post for 2022, it made me remember that uh, I went on my journey after I decided to declare it to the world, because it's been in my head for 3 years, 3 whole years, when I felt the road calling me again, especially Africa, of course, was calling me again. And but I had a lot of fears, living my career, living my life, living a life I love and I'm very happy with. It's not an easy thing, but I felt my womb and I felt my heart calling me. My soul was calling me to go on the road. And I decided to take a few days in the desert in Israel, just by myself, camping by myself. And I'm not a camping person at all. I just put some stuff in the car and went on my way. And I spent like 3, 4 days on my own in the complete silence of the desert. And of course, it's not surprising. I came back with the decision to leave when the school year is finished, because I was working with kids and I was working with groups of girls. So, and my tip to you is, when I came back, I sat on my computer, I posted some pictures from the desert, and I wrote, I just told everybody on Facebook that I'm going to go on my journey. I'm taking a year off to go back to Africa. And for me, this works every time, to declare, to say it out loud, and especially for me to say it to other people, because, me, myself, and I, I can always back down. I can always tell myself stories why it's not the best time, why it's not the right time. But when I declare it and I say it to everybody, I can't back down. That's how I work. So whatever works for you, you can write it down. You can, stick it on the wall. You can tell your most meaningful people. So, and ask them to help you when you try to chicken out, and just do anything to make your dreams come true. Because, as I said, this is our life. Our life is now, and if we are not going to do it, we will not do it. The world goes on. Nobody is waiting for us to realize our dream, just us. But life will be very different and much more amazing if we do. And our dream can be anything. It doesn't have to be going back to Africa. This is my dream. It can be little things, it can be big things, it can be things at home, not leaving everything. But all of you know what is your dream, and you know which dream is like steering inside of you and waiting for you to just do it. So I'm wishing for all of us amazing 2022, a year of dreams coming true. Bye for now.